everyone. So me chilling, just relaxing. It's cool, it's nice. The sun, this is the nice moments in German, the nice moment in Europe, not only German, because now it's the summertime, the warm seasons that you can just go in nature and relax, calm down, take a walk, take a stroll. It's now in the evening, but the sun is too high, as you can see. I'm really sweating. So, but here it's nice because a natural garden. It's called the Botanicalgarden. It's found in Cologne. It's not a distance from the Cologne Central Station to here. It's just some minutes with a tram, and you can just take some minutes. A walk. You can just walk for some minutes till you are here. You enter here. It's just it doesn't cost anything. It's just a natural reserved place, taken care of the government from the town, and it's really good maintained. So you can see in front of us there's some water lilies on top, which are really beautiful. When you sit down and calm a bit, you can hear the birds singing, you can hear the frogs quacking. I don't know how it's called, but it's just like you feel like you are just connected to the nature, and it's really nice. So breathing the air itself is really nice because of the beautiful trees, as you can see, and the beautiful flowers around. And it's just it's just a really relaxing place with no stress, no people around, like no people shouting around. People are just going for a walk. You can see kids playing around, just old people also going for a walk around, because it's no riding of bicycle inside here. Like you have to keep it, you have to maintain it, and you have to walk just on the path, not on the grass. That's how it's maintained, and just watch out for your rubbish. So it's really taken care of with not only the town, but also the people who are going for a walk inside, because you go to carry your rubbish and put them in the containers. So I like it because you must not pay anything to enjoy this beautiful view here. It's really nice. So whoever is around Cologne can just come here and take a walk. It's worth it. Ciao guys.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao. So guys, as you see here, they take plants very seriously. As I told you earlier, that you can see the flowers have names. So sometimes you can just see some flowers around, but you don't know the names. But here it's really nice because you just see you can just see different types of flowers with different names. At least you can just get to learn some names. I myself am not good at it, so whenever I see and then I just know the name, I feel nice, because at least I cannot remember a lot of names from the plants that I've just seen, but I just take like 2 of them and just sticks in my head. So it doesn't matter. So at least you know the value of flowers and plants around. At least you know the names, and at least you have seen them. Some flowers you cannot find them anywhere, but because here's a special place for different flowers, they collect them somewhere and plant them, maybe from different countries even, or different towns, and then they just plant them here. So that's all about the Botanic Garden. It's a natural place, and it's really nice because it's free of charge and it doesn't cost anything to come inside. So guys, it's a nice place to come by and give it a walk. Yeah. So guys, I'm just coming across a very beautiful flower. This is the name. You can just give it in Google, and then it can translate for you the name. So in the meantime, these are German names. A very beautiful flower, very beautiful plant. You see how it looks like. Just so beautiful. So guys, see, these are some plants with the names also on them. So when you just view them, you just at least learn some names in German. We ask Google to translate it in English. So people who doesn't understand German, no problem, just give the name and then Google will translate it for you. So guys, it's really cool, but in this at the same time it's very, very hot when you're in the normal place with no nature. So you see how nature is also important to just leave the trees, so don't spoil them, don't throw the rubbish along, so that they can just grow to protect us from sun, to give us this coolness. So it's really nice. The garden is really big, it's really nice, and yeah, you can just enjoy some minutes of walk, strolling around and just enjoying the nature. It's also a place you can get the fresh air, so you know how the air is mostly spoiled outside there, and here is really, really nice. Yeah. So just with people around here in German or around in Cologne, you can just take a walk here. It's just free of charge. What I like most, you see, when you walk around, you hear some birds singing around. I like that. That's so nature. That's so, just find it in some quiet place like this, some natural place. So that's why it's really reserved for animals, birds. Yeah, but not big animals like that. Birds and crawling animals like some frogs in water. So they like really silent places, so they can do their thing, like just sing their songs. And that's really, really nice, because it's also very, very silent. It's a silent place.